Hi! In front of me is iPad 10th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto brightness on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down. Then you need to click on Accessibility section. Now click on Display and Text Size and scroll all the way down. Finally, click on this gray sweater next to Auto Brightness, and after that, as you can see, Adaptive Brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same, now green sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!